Here's what's happening. I just seasoned that pan. In fact, you might have seen that video. What's today? Today is August the 15th. Right now. I'm probably uploading this August the 16th. Maybe releasing it August the 17th, 18th. And this video has been released. I'm just trying to give you guys perspective of how long ago we've cooked these meals. Pot stickers, vegetables, potatoes. The potatoes are here only because I use them to just season that. And I feel bad for like letting them die without any. They haven't done anything wrong, these potatoes. So let's saute the potatoes. I shouldn't need onions. Are there onions in that? I'd love to have onions. There's an onion. I could cut an onion. I hate cutting onions. All right, we've got potatoes now. I'm going to put this pan back on. It was on the gas up back, which was like, I love gas. Maybe I'll take the barbecue attachment off and just cook outside the whole rest of the summer. This will work on this pan because it's not shiny stainless steel. 155, 170, 200 in a spot. Now, according to the instructions on the pot stickers, which I'm not making pot stickers, if this was a real cooking channel, we would make pot stickers. Keep them frozen, put them the rounded side down, flat top up, and then you flip them. These take about 5 minutes. Here's the sauce for the vegetables. These are pre-frozen Asian style vegetables. It sounds very racist. This is Chewbacca. She goes, meow. Don't burn the Chewbacca bok bok. Don't let her play with matches either. This is gonna be an interesting meal. I kind of want to add more meat to it though, because the pot stickers have meat and vegetables. If they were just meat, I'd be satisfied with that, but they're not. I'm not satisfied. Something has to die every day, then be fed to me, or I'm not happy. Just took that to defrost. I may not have any extra like meat, like even just chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Meow. Meow. All right. Should we check how hot this got? Again, offer. Anyone wants to park like boom, like that. 265. That should be enough to get a little bit of oil. I'm not going to use peanut oil for this, but I'm going to use vegetable oil. Let's see how well that seasoning held up. Don't want to lay these down gently. Wow. See, that's the problem. I can't. Jay is gonna have a goddamn heart attack because it's like it doesn't match the rest of my pans, and it just can't. Oh. Am I gonna throw away the rest of the potatoes that don't fit, or am I gonna just keep pushing them in there until they fit? These are the life choices that Zeos has to make. I'm that guy. It's like, look how well they slide already. Links to this pan and the video where I seasoned it. How? How is it? It's raw metal. That's raw metal. If I put that in there, as expensive as that fucking pot was, it would just done. Pan. Peanut oil. Peanut oil with a lion on it. Oh, it's a Korean. Hong Kong. HK. Lion and globe. You know there's definitely peanuts in that shit. Watching my own review. Chewbacca, want to play with a potato? I know what you're gonna freak out because I threw away the potatoes. I just know, but it's all the potatoes I could fit, and I feel better on the inside now. But those potatoes went to waste. Huh? What? Spit it out.
Is he streaming again?
No, I'm just cooking. But there is a camera on my head.
They're terrible.
They're fast. They're some of the fastest 8-inch speakers I've ever heard. They are. They are. I'd probably flip those easier with a fork. And again, another reason, because it doesn't matter. Don't do that to my fucking Brayville, but here works. Cast iron works. It's a more usable cast iron. I'm gonna flip them. Wow, it's slippery. Like, I'm impressed with how slippery that is acting. If I rotate the entirety of the potato, yeah, I can just. Well, the center's definitely got a little more heat. Wow. I need to season these a bit. That should be enough. Alright, these are going to take a bit. Put them down a little bit. Not 7. We'll be back.
We're gonna go
Crispy.
This is my first
Very crispy dumplings.
Christopher out fast. And you went out like you lived.
I don't remember what I said there. Gotta flip dumplings. That's fast. There's not enough oil there because my stove is tilted. Oh, that's fucking crispy, man. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's. I spin them around. The non-stick capabilities of this make me wonder why there's non-stick pans. Like, these potatoes just fell out. Not 100% cooked, by the way. Oh, you know what I could do? Yeah, I don't understand why non-stick pans exist. I know I've only cooked like 2. I'm gonna finish eating that one. Screw it. For you. These have been salted nicely. We plugged in. Lights on. Go. Never set your toaster oven to stay on. Always set it on timer. You don't need to ask why. Just do what I say. I feel like I need to steam these a little bit, which would involve. Tell me this cover fits. Oh, it fits. So this is gonna. Shit's broken. It's fine. That. I don't know what's going on, but I should keep doing it. Just a touch of water. Just a tiny little. Maybe a bigger, tiny little paste. Oh, it'll smell like dumplings. Lower these down even more. Should have cut those potatoes thinner to be done. Now, problem is this lid is gonna be soaking wet. Can't put it back on that. I'll just trap it in there. Ah. They say only 5 minutes in these dumplings, but they were frozen solid. And if I'm going to do this, I think this is going to keep them from getting really browned in the bottom. Yeah. Actually, where's my Insta read? Let's get Jay on this bitch. Why is that in there? $103, $108, $110, $118, $112, going down, $110, $108. All right. Gotta rotate out those really cooked ones. They're not burnt, they're really cooked. How'd you make my toast? Really toasty. So I want to get more color on the top. Oh, I just had to press down a little bit too, which I haven't done. Now we're doing it. Oh my god, they smell so good. And of course, I bought this, and my friend bought it. We're at H Mart, and he bought the sauce, and I didn't buy the sauce, so now I'm sauceless. Oh yeah. Now let's flip these. These ones that have a slightly lighter color on the top. You. Look how slidey it is. This is amazing. I feel like this is a new technology that no one told me about. This one's overall just not crispy at all. And again, exponentially cooler. Potatoes are going to take a minute. My friend James would say, potatoes are going to take a minute. So we're going to put this in next. I'll do it all in this pan. If this works as well as I think it will work, I'll obviously keep the giant nonstick, but I'm going to try to make eggs in it. And I don't know if it's going to actually benefit. Like having nonstick. This is dumb. Alright. Everything just fall out of there. It's heavy. That is the pan you want to kill someone with. But you probably shouldn't. A little more Earl. Just a little more Earl. Don't need much. Okay. Now we are stir frying, so let's add a little salt. And since they're Asian vegetables, let's grind some red pepper. My favorite spice. Extra ground red pepper. Freshly extra red pepper ground extra. Leave those. No sticking. I want to try that so bad. Basically just stored things in this, but I still have to wash it. Salt, pepper, good. Oh, these are going to be fucking tasty. I do have a bit of soy. So I need soy if I'm adding this. This is remove sauce from pouch before cooking in microwave. Blah, 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 blah. Contains soy and wheat. So this basically just is a creamy soy sauce. I'll throw it on that. I'll put that on the potatoes and the pot stickers around the edge. Perfect. Perfecto. We're not ready for this. I'm fucking starving, by the way. Never make a Z cooks when you're starving because you just rush shit and drop things. Arrgh. This might be the Christmas gift for everyone this year. This is like... And you store it the same way you would store cast iron. A little bit of oil and put it away. Hold that, will you? Got a little bit too self-righteous with that. But yeah, that was another thing that America's Test Kitchen tested. It was like how high the sides are. Can you do the flip? Does this sit low enough to go in a stove? Is it heavy enough? The fact that this is not riveted and it's welded, and then it's actually riveted, welded, and then cut off, which is super useful. Like, I don't know, this is like, it's broccoli. It's just basically defrosting. I have to try one. Oh yeah. That is a crispy goddamn dumpling. It's also hot. Real hot. Hurts my mouth. Alright. Killing that. Moving the Earl. My grandfather would call it Earl when I was kids. When I was a kid. Get me the Earl. What grandfather was supposed to do. Tell you about when the time they were in Vietnam. He was never in Vietnam, but he would say, let me tell you about the time I was in Vietnam, or what I learned in Vietnam. Boss mega status. 100! Okay. So now I'm putting something goopy oopy in this pan, and that's never been done before. But it's immediately ready to go. Like seasoning a cast iron takes like 2 hours in the microwave. 2 hours in the put your cast iron in the microwave for 2 hours. It'll be seasoned. Cast iron takes 2 hours in the oven. Look, it's not even, the sauce isn't even sticking. I'm gonna have to make a creme brulee in here or something that's really nasty. I actually don't know if that is. It just sounds like something that would be nasty to like get out of a pan. Oh, it smells so Asian. Now, because I added that, I feel the urge to just drizzle some of my own good soy sauce on there. Of course, can you ever have too much? And now I'm going to shut you off. I'm going to lay the pot stickers on top like a garnish. Because those are done. And because I'm an idiot and I've permanently mounted the giant the oven thermometer there, I have to do that. And now I can get this out with fucking fruit fly. A little buggy thing. I guess I could just do this. Remember, I'm starving, so I'm going to fuck up bad. Support from below. Hot sticker. Basically, I'm just getting into everything into one spot. I guess I'll eat it on this plate. That's off. It's going to hold heat forever. Let's take some vegetables and pot stickers and potatoes. I want to sort of toss the potatoes. I know they're crispy, but I want to get them a little bit saucy. I don't know what this is. Whatever I title this video, or my sister titled this video, or Jay titled this video, will not do it justice. The No Justice sauteed pot sticker extravaganza. Rick and Morty 100 years. I'm hungry. Give me another pot sticker. And unlike Jay, I'll eat it on camera. Now that it's 1,000,000,000 degrees again, I'm pretty sure you don't want this. Pot stickers. Pot sticker vegetables. Let's check the potatoes. They feel softer. There's 1,000,000,000 degree. Ah. Okay. Yeah. That worked. They're cooked. They're 1,000,000,000 degrees. Let's try the vegetables. Watch Zeals burn his mouth. That's perfect. It was all good. And finally, the pot sticker. Pot sticker! Oh yeah. Might have even been a little bit crispier. But I'm happy with this. This was some rice. I had the potatoes instead of rice, but I would do rice next time. Time to see if my cat likes Asian food. That's cannibalism. Evil.